Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make a high-quality soil mix for aroid plants that is rich in nutrients, provides excellent aeration and moisture retention, drains well, and is easy to make. If you are an aroid lover, you should know that the potting mix is crucial for helping them thrive and grow to their full potential. I have been using this mix for quite some time, but before I settled on this combination, I experimented with many different mixes. I found that this one is the best for my indoor aroid garden. You can use this mix for Philodendrons, Alocasias, Anthuriums, Syngoniums, Epipermiums, Monsteras, and other aroid plants. Making your own soil mix has several advantages. You can tailor the mix to suit the specific needs of your plants, ensuring they get the right balance of nutrients, aeration, and moisture retention. Understanding your mix is crucial. Knowing how fast it dries out gives you the opportunity to know how much water to give your plants, preventing over or underwatering. This mix can also be more cost-effective than buying pre-made mixes, especially if you have a large collection of plants. Additionally, you have control over the quality of the ingredients used, ensuring they are free from pests, diseases, or harmful chemicals. Now, let me show you how to prepare it. The main components are Coco Coir, Perlite, and Orchid Bark, which form the base of the mix. I call this the base mix because it's perfectly fine to use on its own if you don't have access to other ingredients. However, if you want to enhance the mix for even better results, you can add vermiculite, charcoal, and leca. I personally use all of these in my mix to create a rich and balanced blend. Stay tuned as I demonstrate the proportions I use and explain why each of these ingredients is essential for healthy plant growth. Coco Coir, derived from coconut husks, is a versatile and sustainable addition to your aroid potting mix. Its fibrous texture promotes excellent aeration in the soil, allowing roots to breathe and preventing compaction. Coco Coir also has fantastic moisture retention properties, ensuring that your plants have a consistent water supply without becoming waterlogged. This natural material is free from pests and diseases, providing a safe and healthy environment for your plants to thrive. Additionally, Coco Coir contains natural nutrients that are beneficial for plant growth, such as potassium, which promotes flowering and fruiting, and lignin, which enhances root growth. When you touch Coco Coir, you'll notice its light and fluffy texture, which feels similar to peat moss but is more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Incorporating Coco Coir into your mix helps create a well-balanced growing medium that supports healthy root development and overall plant growth. For the base of the mix, I use 1/3 of Coco Coir. The other third for the mix I use Perlite. Perlite, a lightweight volcanic glass, is a key ingredient in your aroid potting mix. Its porous texture improves soil aeration and prevents compaction, creating an ideal environment for root growth. Perlite also enhances drainage, allowing excess water to flow away, which reduces the risk of root rot. One of Perlite's distinctive features is its ability to retain moisture while maintaining good drainage. This balance is crucial for aroids, as it helps regulate soil moisture levels and prevents waterlogging. Additionally, Perlite is sterile and free from pests, diseases, and weed seeds, making it a safe choice for your plants. It is very important to add Perlite in equal parts with Coco Coir because Coco Coir without Perlite will retain too much water, promoting root rot. Incorporating Perlite into your mix helps create a well-draining, aerated growing medium that supports healthy root development and overall plant growth. This Perlite I'm showing you now is wet because I always practice washing the Perlite before use. For the base of the mix, I use 1/3 Perlite to ensure optimal aeration and drainage for my aroids. The final component for the base of the potting mix is Orchid Bark. This natural material is not only aesthetically pleasing but also plays a crucial role in the health and vitality of your plants. Unlike other components, Orchid Bark provides a stable structure for your plant's roots, allowing them to anchor securely and grow freely. One of the key benefits of Orchid Bark is its ability to retain just the right amount of moisture while ensuring excellent drainage. Additionally, Orchid Bark is a renewable resource, making it an eco-friendly choice for your indoor garden. When selecting Orchid Bark for your mix, opt for medium to large-sized pieces to promote optimal aeration and prevent compaction. For the base of the mix, I use 1/3 orchid bark to ensure optimal aeration, drainage, and root support for my aroids. So, let's mix these three components to create the base of the aroid mix. Put all three components in a larger container and mix them until well combined. At this point, you can start adding other ingredients. I will add equal parts of vermiculite, leca, and charcoal. The quantity of these three ingredients is 8 times less than the quantity of the base mix. For example, if you have 8 cups of the base mix, you would add 1 cup of each of the 3 additional ingredients: vermiculite, leca, and charcoal. Leca, short for lightweight expanded clay aggregate, is a fantastic addition to your aroid potting mix. Its porous nature provides excellent aeration to the soil, allowing roots to breathe and grow freely. Leca also helps to improve drainage, preventing waterlogging and the risk of root rot. This lightweight material is made from natural clay, making it a sustainable choice for your indoor garden. When adding leca to your mix, ensure it is well distributed to promote healthy root development and overall plant growth. When adding leca, I aim for roughly 7 to 8 times less than the base mix. However, don't fret over exact measurements. I typically mix by hand without precise amounts. These numbers are merely guidelines to help you understand the mix's ratio. Feel free to adjust based on your preference and needs. Next, I will add vermiculite. Vermiculite is a mineral that undergoes significant expansion when heated, creating a lightweight and absorbent material. Its primary role in potting mixes is to improve soil aeration and moisture retention. Vermiculite also contains some nutrients, such as magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which can be beneficial for plant growth. Additionally, vermiculite has a neutral pH, which is ideal for most plants. Additionally, vermiculite helps to create a well-balanced growing medium that supports healthy root development and overall plant growth. I'm adding around 8 times less than the base mix. The final touch to this mix is charcoal, or activated carbon, a key element for your aroid soil blend. Its porous structure is exceptional at absorbing and retaining nutrients, preventing them from leaching out of the soil. Acting as a natural filter, charcoal also purifies the soil by removing impurities and toxins, creating a healthier environment for your plants. Additionally, charcoal contributes to improved soil drainage and aeration, fostering healthier root growth. I'm adding around 8 times less than the base mix. Once all components are added, thoroughly mix the blend. I prefer using my hands for this task, as it allows for the best integration. Mixing without gloves is perfectly safe, but because of recording, I wear gloves to avoid touching my camera. It's a small precaution for a cleaner setup. This is how the potting mix looks when it's ready. This well-balanced mix is suitable for repotting, planting, and propagating your aroids. If your plant isn't ready for repotting, you can use this mix as a top layer in the pot to refresh the old soil. Storing your potting mix correctly is crucial to maintain its quality. Store it in a plastic container with a lid to keep it sealed and prevent it from drying out. This will help preserve the moisture content and prevent the mix from becoming too compacted. Keeping the mix sealed also helps to prevent pests such as gnats from contaminating the mix. Gnats are attracted to moist organic material, so keeping the mix sealed will reduce the risk of infestation. Store the mix in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its freshness and prevent the growth of mold or mildew. Properly stored, your potting mix can last for several months, ready for whenever you need it. Feel free to share your perfect potting mix or the components you use in the comments below. I'm always eager to learn and discover new techniques or improvements from fellow plant lovers. After all, we're here to learn and share our experiences in this beautiful green world. If you're curious about how I prepare my own soil mix for closed terrariums, check out the link in the description below. If you like my content, please support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. It means a lot to me, and it's completely free for you. Thanks for watching.